Hello guys, this is the Bitcoin weekly analysis and daily analysis for today, Monday 12th of August of 2024. Well, last week we will start with this weekly chart. Last week we were talking about that Bitcoin has a bearish close. So this week was expected to continue down. We set up a few targets to the downside, and the last target was 49K. And Bitcoin just touched it and bounced very quick. So the target for the downside were pretty accurate, and now we have a weekly close with a 0.94% here, but was a very volatile week. During the Monday, Bitcoin did this. During the Tuesday, Bitcoin did this, and then the last part of the week, Bitcoin will go up, and then start to going down and close almost near to the weekly open. So for this week, what is expected? I'm expect upside during this week, but we have a few important points that we need to mark here in the graph because sometimes Bitcoin could do this. For this midpoint is very there's a chance that Bitcoin will touch it. I don't know this week, maybe the next one, but it's an important point. This the midpoint when we have a huge wick. These points are very important. So this zone could be some kind of retracement, but I don't think Bitcoin will retrace to this place because it's not so close to the price, to the actual price. It will need to retrace almost near 9%. So I think it's unlikely that Bitcoin this week try to come down to here. We close in the upper part of this fair value gap. This is a good sign. We have a positive close, good sign too. And I think it will retrace a little bit, maybe to the open of the last week candle or a little less, and then goes up. Sometimes it try to go to the low of the last sub's last candle or something. I don't know how to say it, but maybe we will retrace to this place and then we'll go up. Bitcoin leaves a fair value gap. Well, we have inverted fair value gap here, but we have a fair value gap here too. This is very important because if we close this week above this fair value gap that we just create here, it will be very bullish for Bitcoin, and it means that it will go to this high and probably these highs too. So the week that Bitcoin close above here, above this zone, will be the probably the next week. It will pick up this, and we will have a new all-time high. It's pretty hard to write with this magnet. Well, you know, guys. So for the week, we have this scenario that is bullish with a little retracement, but not too much, maybe to 57K or something. But I don't expect much retracement because we already retrace a lot. I don't think Bitcoin needs to retrace anymore for now. Changing to the daily time frame, Bitcoin close inside this fair value gap, but respect the midpoint of this fair value gap. This is a good sign, and basically is saying that Bitcoin is respecting this zone of the resistance, and it has a big chance to go up, but it has this low to pierce. Yesterday we were expecting that Bitcoin will will touch this zone and maybe go up, or in the worst case, touch this zone and go up. But it managed to close below this low. So this is a sign that Bitcoin probably will retrace, pierce this or swipe this low, or even touch this order block. Here we have a huge order block. We will use the magnet because it's important to be accurate here. This is an order block, but it's a bullish order block. So here is the zone for the daily. I use blue for bullish order block. So there is a really high chance now that we have that Bitcoin close below this low, that Bitcoin swipe this order block, maybe do this, and then starting to go up during the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then ideally close above this zone. That is another daily order block to the downside. So this is the main scenario for Bitcoin. This is basically, guys, this is a movement that is retracing slowly, but it's a bullish movement. It's a bullish movement. It's just basically creating a higher low, and then continue up. So these days will be kind of this in this manner. It's not funny because there's no much action, but it will go up, and just we need to be patient because this is a zone to retrace, and this could act as another zone to retrace. So these two blue lines are retracement zones, and are likely retracement zone, this and this. But there's a very low chance to arrive to this zone. I think it will easily come to here, but for arrive here is very unlikely. So I expect, guys, some retracement, but not much, and then starting to going up. So this is the analysis, guy. Hope you like it. If you want, you can subscribe, give us a like, and share with your friends. Take care. See you tomorrow.